I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Audi A3 remote battery. First, identify your specific remote key fob type, as designs can vary slightly. Gather a small flathead screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and the correct replacement battery, typically a CR2032. Having the right tools makes the process smooth and prevents damage. To begin, locate the small release button on the side of your key fob and press it to release the emergency key. Pull the emergency key completely out. Next, use your plastic prying tool or a small flathead screwdriver to gently separate the two halves of the key fob casing. Start from the slot where the emergency key was removed and work your way around carefully. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, take note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This ensures you insert the new battery correctly. Use your small flathead screwdriver to carefully pry out the old battery. Then, insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing the same direction as the old one. With the new battery in place, carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing and press them together until they snap securely shut. Reinsert the emergency key back into its slot until it clicks into place. Finally, test your remote's functionality by locking and unlocking your Audi A3. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation. Also, make sure to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.